Good morning, class 10 students. Today's topic HTML tag. HTML tag with their attributes. As in the last video, we have learned about the simple creation of a document. Now, I will tell you some other methods to make use of the tags with the empty and container element. Also, the particular use of the tag under different section. Just we can discuss about the characters tag, logical and physical character tags. Among these, all topics are given in the book. As I given to you one PDF. In that also the same tag and their command elements are there. So accordingly, we will discuss today attribute and element of HTML tag. After head and body section, today we will discuss about the common HTML container elements. Common HTML container elements, just like in the last video we have discussed about the heading style H1 to H6, font, head, title, body, HTML. These all are the particular tag which is having container element. Okay. Now more about this. Today I'll tell you about the center tag, and after using the center tag, subscript and superscript tag, and commonly used method. As in a last video, I had told you about the body color attribute. Today we will start from body background as a picture tag. HTML head, title close, head close, then after body starts the second document, second main important document of the HTML document. Body background, we'll write here complete body background equal to whatever picture you have in your laptop, in your computer, that picture name you can mention here, and particular location also. Student, please keep in mind where you are going to save this file. Either the particular picture should be on the same place, or you may give the particular location of the picture. Wherever the particular picture is there, then only this background will work, otherwise not. I have given 2.jpg. Next element, that is a center tag. It will come in a center. Heading, again the common HTML tags heading we have used already. H1, center, close, BR. Now I have given one another common example of the container tag. This is paragraph, and paragraph normally we can use left align. Default is a left align. I have mentioned here in the right align. See, like this we have mentioned here, right align. And after that we'll use the next tag. This is also common use of container tag. Font size is equal to 25. Okay, size is equal to 25, and color is equal to red. And whatever message I have written here, it will come as a paragraph with this manner. I will tell you now common HTML tags. As container element will all possible container or show. Okay, you may use here show possible container tags, and what wording you, this doesn't matter, right or wrong, or whatever tag you are writing in that particular, that will display on the screen. Font close and paragraph close. Again, comment start. In this document we have mentioned many tags together, so please go through properly. Now we have mentioned here this one, comment tag. This comment tag will not execute, this will use as only the HTML document part, not a web page part. It will not display on the screen. Okay, now next one method I have mentioned here about the subscript and superscript. Did you understand subscript and superscript? Whatever text is displayed above the baseline, that is superscript, and whatever text is displayed below the baseline, that is subscript. Subscript means below the baseline, down, just like one wording, chemical formula wording I'm telling here, just like H2O. Okay, H2O, wherever H is go, okay, that is same line, that is called baseline, and to display below the baseline, and O again on a commonly, same CO2. These are the examples of subscript. And superscript examples, you want to display just like square value. I have mentioned one example here, a plus v power 2, that means sub 2 and sub close and again equal to a square. Okay, that only na, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in such manner I have mentioned this program here, this HTML commands. You can continue with this. Clear, student? Now we will check this output. Okay, first we save. Whenever you save this, save with the .html and come on the particular track with the document. See, center element we have mentioned this come on a center position. Okay, then we have given a paragraph tag and paragraph aligning was right. See, this side it is coming in the right side, default it will come from the left side. Now next, chemical formula, as a mathematical formulas are given, H2O, okay, CO2, a plus b square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, like this particular value, subscript and superscript example I have mentioned here. Understand this, everybody? Please go through properly. In your book everything is written, and whatever PDF I have provided you, in that also all topics are available. Okay, and now next commands, I will tell you more about the paragraph color, coloring, font color, base font. Okay, now after using this subscript and superscript, this one example of a physical tag. Okay, commonly used as a local tag, a logical tags that also can be applied. Attributes of the body elements. Already I have mentioned the attribute of the body elements. What we have given, body BG color and body background. These are the two attributes of the body tag. We have given already examples. So if you want to change it, now only I'll give another example. In place of this background, I'll give you blank background. In place of this blank, I want to use little change color. Default background color is white. I will change here. This, in place of background complete, will write here BG color. Okay, BG color, and color spelling also don't go through with the don't get confused within a British or American. This also correct spelling is there. I have mentioned here red. Okay, no, red not aqua, AQUA, aqua color is a very sober color here. Save, and again we have to go through the same screen and we have to refresh, so it comes like on the screen this way. Understand? So these are the examples. Now next option I'll give you. Next option I will tell you about the other elements. Empty elements we have already used: BR, HR, IMG, SRC, insert in the images. Okay, I'll give you another example of IMG, SRC in the next video. In this video we'll get more about the particular order and unordered list. Okay, we'll take another example, order and unordered list. We'll make particular tag in this manner. If size is small, I'll increase the size so you may get clear this particular font. Okay, HTML head, title I have mentioned here, order, unordered, title close, head close, body, BG color. In last HTML document I have mentioned background is a 2.jpg file I have mentioned. Here I have given color equal to aqua. Then center aligning, order, unordered, two sections I have made. Order list display as a center, and in the next wording is there, that is country city. Country city size 20, color green, and country names I have mentioned here: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Jamshedpur and Amritsar. And now OL close, font close. Now again the next unordered list starts. Unordered list, that also come in center. Then again this will be available for you, particular state city name. Okay, their color is red, and state color with the unordered list, that is UL tag: UL Bareilly, Lucknow, Prayagraj, Kanpur, Meerut, Agra. These many cities names I have mentioned. UL close, font close, body close and HTML close. Now we'll get the output. What output is displayed over the screen? Let me save first. Save. And now we'll go to the particular page this way. Okay, or get again refresh. In order list display in the center, country names are there, country cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. Then again unordered, next this color was green, this color is red, different state city and country city names are there. So we have mentioned this accordingly. This is the unordered. Unordered means that a bulleted list, that a special symbol in the each line starting you will get the some special symbols. Normally disk, mainly there are three type: disk, square and circle. Okay, so these many we have to use. And this also order list also, that is categorized 5 type. What 5 type of order list is there? That is default number 1 2 3 4 5. Second, alphabets. Alphabets categorized 2 type. Alphabet means capital letter alphabets and small letter alphabets. And the fifth one is Roman number. Okay, these many 5 different methods order list we can create. And unordered list we can create within 3 manner: disk, square and circle. I'll give you with the example. Just go to the main document and we'll type here, we'll take up here First of all, we should use the tag. Which tag is there? Order list. Okay, order list we have to mention, and we have to define the other descriptions, just like type. Okay, type equal to, you may mention the wording just like I have mentioned A, capital letter A. Clear? And start is equal to start. I want to start different number. Start equal to, you want to use 5. Okay, and here also we can use the unordered list. Unordered list we can start type equal to the value. What do you want the value? Default is disk is available. Now you want circle, I square, we can write a square. Okay, we will type value in the double quotes, that is square, SQUARE, and we will mention this in this manner. This also we can continue with this size. Clear everyone? Now again save and get difference of this particular document. Refresh. We have mentioned order list as a capital letter A, and starting point we have mentioned here 5. 5 means E, F, G, H, I, J is there, and same thing we have done this side. Earlier this size disk was there, now square is there. So accordingly we have to make use of these documents, and you may complete. All other details also I have mentioned here. You please go through all the tag and attribute and complete the question answers also. I'll give you other details and question answers. Okay, we'll discuss next chapter in the next video. Still, if you have any doubt, you may ask. Understand everybody? Okay, God bless you.